we are tasked to simplify this expression. So x squared minus x minus 2 over xy divided by 1 plus x over x squared multiplied by y over x squared minus 1. So let us first remove the kanang division sign, no? It's because dili mo kayo dali ang mag-divide, but dali lang mag-multiply. So to remove the division sign, we simply multiply the reciprocal of kung unsa imong gi-divide, right? Mag-ingani maguna, for example, 1 half divided by 1/4, meaning ana simply is 1 half multiplied by 4 over 1. So simply, we have here x squared minus x minus 2 over xy multiplied by the reciprocal of this. Okay, para ma-change into multiplication, x squared over 1 plus x. Okay, times y over x squared minus 1. Okay, and now let us try to factor kung kaning mga kuano expression kanang sa mga numerator o denominator para makita nato kung na ba tayo ma-cancel o wala. Let's express this. So, x squared minus x minus 2, ang factor na niya will be, ano tayo idea nga, somehow, if this will be factored out, sa FOIL na technique, dapat ang first term, multiply ni mo na ang first terms, dapat ang answer kay x squared. Okay? Then dapat ang last term kay negative 2 ang answer. So, na kay mga options. Either you have negative 2 here and you have positive 1 here. Okay? Or the positive 2 ug negative 1. Kung negative 2 imong kwan diani, the middle term is simply the sum of the outer, no? Kana man ang middle term. X times 1 ug negative 2 times x. So, x times 1 is positive x. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. So, is what? X. Then, ang inner term is negative 2x. So, ang sum nila is negative x. And this is what you want. So, therefore, tama ni siya bali no imuhang kwan. So, that is what? X minus 2 times x plus 1. So, gamit yung kayo kung kabalo ka mong factor, no? Mas mapadali imuhang kwan analysis. And this one is x squared over 1 plus x. And this one, x squared minus 1, is in the format, of course, of u squared minus v squared, right? It's just equal to u minus 1 times u minus v times what? U plus v. In this case, u is x and v is 1. So simply we have here x minus 1 times x plus 1. Okay, kaya naka-multiply ng mga tanan karon, I think we can clearly see here that the x plus 1 here and the x plus 1 here can simply be cancelled, right? And also, ang isa ka x diani, no? X squared over x is simply x. Lang mabilin, no? Dayon, ang mabilin dayon karon finally will be what? X minus 2 times, napaday y, no? The y here and the y here can be cancelled. So, x minus 2 times x over 1 plus x times x minus 1. Okay? And this is now our final answer. So, wala na kaya pwede pa makancel diyan na. Okay? But of course, dili kay ta siguro ko confident na tama jud ka na tong answer. Wala ka ta na mali pag-add, pag-times, or ingon ana. So, let's try to check if this is still equal to this one. So, how do we do that? We put values to our x and y and we compare the two expression. Dapat kana siya equal pa siya diani. Okay? Let's try to. So, let's put values. No? Let me say x equal to 1 and y equal, no? Adi day pwede x equal to 1. Nga naman. Mabutang man kadirig 1 minus 1. Ya, di man bawal man nga denominator kay 0. So, let me put x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. Okay? In that case, if x is equal to 2, I have here x squared 4 minus 2. That's 2. Minus 2. 0. So, 0 na naidaan, 0 na naidaan siya. 0 over something is clearly 0. 0 divided by, wow, no? Wala na. Basta 0. I-divide niyo mo something. 0 na gina siya. So, lantaw na to kung 0 ba ni siya. Okay? Clearly, 0 man po. Kina may x daan rin, no? Kung x, purihan mong 2 dire, 2 minus 2, 0 na daan po. Dili kayo convincing, no? Nga equals lang duha. Ito lang ilisan. Let's say x equal to, kuha na lang. X equal to 3. Para convincing yun. X equal to 3. So, 3 squared, that's 9. Minus, what? Minus 3, that's 6. Minus 2, that's 4. So, 4 over Pila man na siya? 4/3. 4/3 ni bali. Kaning second term, 3 plus 1, 4 over x squared. So that's what? 4 over 9. Kaning last term is 1 over 8. No? 1 over 8. So bali na kay 4/3 divided by 4/9 times 1 over 8. So simply, para mawala ng divide naman, lang ka 4/3 times 9 over 4 times 1 over 8. Okay, so 3 and 3, that's 9 is simply 3 times 3. So mabili na lang da kay 3. 4 and 4 cancel. So we have 3 over 8. So dapat 3 over 8 ni siya, no? Kung ang imong x kay 3, imong y kay 1. So, tantaw na to kung 3 over 8 ba yun? 3 minus 2, 1. Times 3, so 3 ng numerator daan. 1 plus x, 4. Times 2, so 8. So more or less, we got 3 over 8 here and 3 over 8 also here. That's why we are confident that our answer is correct. Thank you.